Hi everyone, this is Rambling Ruby. Yes, I want to thank everyone for subscribing to my channel. I now have 50 subscribers. Thank you. I'm going to show some random videos, hope you enjoy, of my trip here to Jupiter. I'm now in Jupiter, and I made it without too much hassle. Stayed in the truck stops most of the way, but the last night I did stay in a Walmart. I got denied in one Walmart, but I went to another Walmart and I stayed there. So, I hope you enjoyed my little video clips that I made along the way. Thank you. Bye-bye. You're not going to believe this. I came out, got my phone, came down here to the beach to take some pictures of the beach here. And the phone started updating. Don't turn off. Why can I choose when to do this? And maybe because I wouldn't update it anyway. Every time they update something goes wrong with it. Anyway, here I am at Flagler Beach, and there's Zoey. The only one of the fish. It's her favorite thing to do, and pulling me. Anyway, here we are at Flagler Beach. It's actually chilly out here. How in the world these people are in the water? That wind is okay, let's go back up maybe. This way, Zoey. No. 6 inches high, I think I can do it. Okay, here we go. Let's get up here and look down on them. There are a few people out here sunlight. Let's go, Zoey. Let's go, baby. Come on. Go, go, go. Don't get close to the bed. I don't know if she'd try to get down there. I don't think she would try to get down there. Okay. Anyway, there she goes. Pulling me this way, girl. Zoey, we're going this way. This is Flagler Beach. Come on. Come on, come on, girl. Look at that rock. I can't tell if that's been cement. It must have been cement. That hole. Here's Zoey, looking around my computer. She's wanting attention. Yeah, she's yeah. I hear a doggy. Do you hear that? Did I find anything, Beth? Yeah.
No, it was amazing.
Where is it?
It was simple. It was easy, and we've never heard of this part before.
Where is
the problem. So that's why we're making the video, so that if
there's a doggy.
RV odor seepage issue, and this is your problem.
Yes.
Yeah, especially from your gray tanks. You know, this is a very high possibility or probability, I would say,
what?
Of being the source of gray tank odors if you are
what you want?
Gray tank odors.
You better start talking English. I don't understand Yorkie talk.
There on the side of the check valve.
Hey, I've had you 6 years now. It's time you learned English.
The check valve. And again, this is basically just a little.
Okay, that Yorkie talk's not going to go anymore.
Air valve.
Okay.
Air in, but it should not allow.
Yorkie talk is over. You gotta speak English now.